If you're looking to recruit influencers and creators using affiliate tools, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to leverage affiliate marketing tools to successfully onboard influencers and creators for your brand and give you tips that you can implement right now. First off, let's talk about why affiliate tools are a game changer for influencer recruitment. These tools automate and simplify tracking, payouts, and communication, so you can focus on scaling your partnerships without the stress. The key is to choose the right software that integrates everything in one place, something we'll dive into in just a second. Once you've got the right software, the first step is to create an enticing offer. Influencers and creators want to see something valuable for their audience, so think about offering commissions, bonuses, or unique discount codes they can share. Your offer should align with what they're already promoting, so their audience feels it's a natural fit. Next, find your target influencers. This isn't about reaching out to every influencer under the sun. You want those whose audience matches your ideal customer. Use the affiliate tools database or integration with influencer platforms to pinpoint potential creators who are a good fit for your product. Now that you've got a list of influencers, it's time to send those personalized outreach messages. Keep them short and to the point, explaining why you're a good fit for their audience, the benefits they'll get from joining your affiliate program, and, of course, the exclusive offers or commissions they can earn. Once you've got them on board, track their performance using the affiliate tool. This is where the real power of the software comes in, tracking their traffic, sales, and commissions in real time. You'll get insights that help you understand what's working and where you can improve. Plus, you can automate payouts, saving you time on admin tasks. Before you go, I want to remind you about the software we're using today. It's got everything you need to recruit and manage influencers seamlessly. In fact, if you want to follow along with the exact software, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below. This trial is only available for viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab it. To wrap up, here's your key takeaway. To effectively recruit influencers and creators, the right affiliate tool is essential. It helps you track performance, automate payouts, and streamline communication. The main steps are to create an irresistible offer, find the right influencers, send a personal outreach, and track everything in real time. Quick recap: choose the right software, create a compelling offer, find relevant influencers, send personalized messages, and track your success. Don't forget to grab the free trial link in the description and start scaling your affiliate program today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.